If you're like me, I'm getting it with the almond milk, I'm adding espresso, I'm doing all the do. Hey vibes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. On this channel, we get into a ton of health tips, reviews, hauls, and just like so much more. So if you love any of that stuff, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and yeah, let's get straight into it. Today, I'm coming for some of y'all, right? Because I know some of y'all out there that love to buy your coffees and love to buy your matchas, right? You like to make it expensive, I get it. But today I'm showing you how you don't need to be going up to the coffee shop every single second, girl. We got matchas at home, okay? I am bringing you none other than the Yae Organics Matcha Tea Powder. This is from the juice company I have shared with you guys in the past, and I had to showcase this one and feature it because this right here is a lifesaver. It is a money saver, and y'all need to get it in your cabinets and just start making your own matchas at home because listen, it will save the pockets later on in life. So this is a giant thing of Matcha Green Tea Powder. It is organic. Everything about Yae Organics is organic. It's also Black owned, so you'll be supporting a Black owned business if you do decide to purchase this. I want to start off by saying that this giant jar of 120 servings is $29.99. like $29.99. That's crazy. Like that's already saving, right? How much are matchas when you go to the coffee shop? They can range from like $5 to $8 depending on, I mean, if you're like me, I'm getting it with the almond milk, I'm adding espresso, I'm doing all the do. So I'm at a $10 drink by the time I'm done, and it makes no sense, and they get me every single time when I can be making matchas at home. Okay, I had to feature this because I've had it for a little while now, and your girl is not even breaking the bank. Okay, and I love matcha. I make matcha quite often. Now you can drink this hot, you could drink this cold, you can make it as a coffee beverage, you can just mix it with water and drink it as tea. It's like however you really want to do it. The benefits is that it's an ultimate superfood. It promotes detoxification, focus, calmness, energy, and weight loss. Hello, summer's already here. I know y'all love that weight loss tip. And it's just rich in so many things, vitamins, fibers, and the list really just goes on. So make desserts with it. You can do all kinds of stuff with this powder. And because again, this jar is huge, okay? I use like the small, it comes with a scooper, and I use like this much of it. Sometimes this is even like too much. It's gonna depend on how you like your matcha to taste. I do like a bitter matcha, but I also put espresso in mine, so that's gonna make it even more bitter. So I do like 1 scoop of the matcha, and then I'll put my espresso in. I'll do milk, I'll put over ice. Love an iced matcha. Sometimes I'll veto the espresso because girl, I am an espresso queen and I need to get up off that. I have tried many matcha powders. I have plenty of them in my cabinet right now. I have shared some of them with you guys on my YouTube channel, and I'm not going back on my word and what I've said about those. I think that those matcha powders that I've shown you guys were great. However, this one I really enjoy because it's straight up matcha. Like there's no additives, there's no extra sugar. Like it is what it says it is, okay? And that's what I love about the Yae Organics brand in general. You are getting the purest form of an ingredient of the produce as possible. It's coming straight from Japan in this jar into your house, and I love that because a lot of things have many additives and underlying things that like they're not going to admit to you, but they do. I have several different bottles of items. I'm staring at them in my kitchen right now. Yae Organics does have like discounts that they provide. If by the time I put this up there's one, I can put it down below for you. Otherwise, you know, follow them on Instagram and look out for those discounts. Sometimes there's 30% off. Like this is already $30, but you're also gonna give me 30% off. Like the math just is not mathing. No, the math is definitely mathing because this company, it just shows that like they're really for the people. They're not out here trying to break trying to break the bank. I love that. It'll make me a returning customer for life, really. So we got matcha at home, girl. Like if you get this and you get you a little coffee mug or whatever it is you want to have, You make this in the mornings, take it with you to work, and you don't need to make that pit stop at the coffee shop. And this is gonna give you 120 servings. This also goes in the fridge, so it is cold, and I like that about it as well. It just reminds me of how fresh this actually is, because most of my other matchas don't tell me to put it in the refrigerator. So there are things that this one's gonna do: heart health, brain health, and everything else that I have already said early on. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to show you guys this. I spend a lot of money on coffee, and it's absolutely absurd. Whether I'm getting a coffee, a tea, a smoothie, it doesn't even matter. It's just like too much money being spent. So I am finding other ways to not break the bank, and this has like been my lifesaver. So I will leave the description of this down in the box below. I will also leave Yae Organics Instagram, so you can go ahead and hit that follow, because again, Black owned and Black owners need love too. You guys are gonna come through my vibe squad. You guys always do. So thank you so much for watching this quick video on We Got Matchas at Home, because we do. And if you love this, please give it a like, please comment, please share this video with any and everyone who also needs to know that they got matchas at home too. So with that being said, I am going to catch you guys in my next vibe video. Bye.